As a lender, you will receive a notification when a borrower has requested to extend their loan. The next step is to review the request and create a counteroffer, specifying the repayment amount, annual percentage rate, and loan-to-value ratio. Once the borrower accepts the offer, they must complete the upfront requirements. The first requirement is a partial repayment. After this payment is made, the lender must confirm the receipt of funds by entering a PIN code and then a 2FA code. Following this confirmation, the borrower will deposit extra Bitcoin into the escrow. Once that collateral is locked, the final step is to confirm a fee payment. This is done through the mobile app by providing a PIN code and a 2FA code. After the fee payment is completed, the loan status moves to in progress. The lender can then check the extension and repayment details, which can be done on both mobile and desktop.